Good evening, everyone. Dolphins Group of School is organizing 10 days Skill Hub program for all of you. It's not just for the Dolphinites, but for the whole Jaipur. So, students, their parent, whomsoever is interested can enroll themselves in the Skill Hub program. We have a lot of activities for you all like English grammar, computer basics, yoga, Zumba, cooking, knitting, abacus, and much more activities like these. So, if you are interested, please enroll yourselves. You all are given the link below to fill the form. So, yeah, don't wait, just fill your form and be a part of this amazing Skill Hub program and learn something new, learn something creative. I, Ishmeet Kaur, will be having yoga Zumba classes with you all. We all know that yoga is good for our mental health and for our physical health. So, yeah, please be a part of it, enjoy yourself. Thank you.